Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. I'm starting a new little series where I hop on here and review slash talk about a website every Wednesday. We'll call it Website Wednesday or something like that. Anyways, uh, this is Tennessee Standard. This is a client of mine. They are a local plumbing company in Knoxville, Tennessee. They started in 2019, 2020, and quickly have become one of the most reputable plumbing companies in Knoxville. As you can see, they have 785-star Google reviews, and they just have such a cool story. Kelton, who is that guy, he is a fifth generation plumber, which I think is pretty incredible to be fifth generation of anything. So pretty cool that they have that heritage to kind of lean on. Anyways, so yeah, this is their website. Something to kind of think through when you're looking at websites is, who you are, what you do, and how can I work with you. And what's really cool is that rhymes, and so it's just an easy way to remember that. But anyways, for them, it's abundantly clear who they are. Tennessee Standard. Okay, what they do. They're a plumbing company. Great. And how can we work with you? I love how they have these two large call to actions right here. Call now. They actually have these set up so where when it goes after hours, they automatically change to a form button. So when people click on those, it actually opens up a form for people to submit. So really nice. Something else they do is they are prioritizing hiring right now. So they actually have a secondary call to action right here. It doesn't stand out quite as much with the darker color, but it's still right there. You see it. If you are a business looking at your website, it doesn't only have to be a marketing website for your potential customers. A lot of people will say, "Hey, we're getting too many leads. We just don't have enough hands to do the work." And that's another area where your website can be really beneficial is having a robust hiring system built within your site. So that's what they're using it for as well. Um, just coming on down, having a 100% guaranteed every time. I love that. These statements of soothing the worries that someone might have if they're hiring you. If you're able to throw in these types of guarantees, and that can also just be through reviews, right? So where people see like, oh, okay, these people know their stuff, or oh, okay, these people are going to take care of me. They guarantee it. That sort of thing. It just makes it that much easier to hit that call now button for the problem to be solved. This is something Donald Miller talks about, the peace of mind process, laying out, what it's going to take to go from here to there. You can lay out the problems, which I always recommend laying out the problems so that the customer can connect with you and say, "Oh yeah, man, I am having those problems," and then showing what life looks on the other side. 100% guaranteed, we're going to solve your problem. But then giving them a step by step process. Of course, they take way more steps than this when they go do work, but to lay out a simple like, okay, I'm going to book an appointment with you all. You guys are going to come out. You're going to give me options to choose from, and then I'm going to get back to having a peaceful life, spending time with my family. That just kind of lays things out for you. So really happy with the way uh, they prioritize that in helping their customers. At the footer, I think the footer is an amazing place to really reap some rewards. So you have all this input on the page. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. They get all the way to the bottom, and then boom, you hit them with a couple more call to actions. You hit them with a couple more assurances. This could be reviews or certifications, customer testimonials. Uh, Case study link, something like that, showing just like, hey, no, like we're still here, like this is what we do, and just make it that much more easy for someone to perform the call to action. So overall, super happy with this site. Love the direction that this went. Also really happy with how this navigation turned out. I think this is just so cool, just kind of bringing navigation to life a little bit. They actually hired a photographer to go out to each of these locations in their hometown and take photos. They didn't just use stock photography, but they spent the money and invested in that to where they actually got multiple photos at each of these locations they serve, which I think is so cool. Also under services, again, just using some iconography and bringing it to life a little bit. And they're continuing to post articles on their blog, which is awesome, and just really impressed with these guys. They're doing great work. If you're in Knoxville and you're needing plumbing help, definitely check them out. And yeah, be sure to check out their website because really proud of this one. All right. Have a great day, y'all.